I want to get some analysis from our guest who is standing by. We have national trial attorney Michael Jaafar with us. Michael, so good to have you on the show and to talk about this case, because I feel like there are a lot of cases that are similar to this one that I've talked to you about in the past, including the Ethan Crumbley case, where we have parents or someone who is not the child who is the shooter getting found liable. Now, this person here, this principal, she is not, we're not dealing with the criminal case here, but she is facing criminal charges. They are still pending. What are your thoughts on this case and where we are with a principal being found responsible?
This is very typical in the civil arena, right? If anybody thinks that like a felony case or a murder case is the defense attorney has a complicated role, you see nothing until you see this case. The plaintiff attorney here have to thread a very, very thin needle. 3 days ago, I predicted that this case would settle before trial. I was wrong, and I think I know why. The defense attorney for the teacher is saying that they have to show that she had a complete depraved mentality towards this, and that they said that a 6-year-old child having a gun and shooting a teacher is virtually unprecedented. I tried to find a precedent. I couldn't find it. So I think they're right. So it comes down to whether or not this principal, and what planet would you imagine a 6-year-old carrying a gun? She said he had little pockets. So this case is very fascinating. I have a case very similar to this right now. Those cases are very, very complicated. You have to thread a very specific needle. So the plaintiff attorneys for Abby's Werner, it's not enough for them to win the case. The whole point is to have your client get paid. Well, your client doesn't get paid by you just winning the case. You have to win it in a very specific way. So you're going to see a lot of very cerebral examinations and cross-examinations. There's going to be jockeying for position with every witness. This is going to be a very complicated case. I cannot imagine how complicated the jury instruction is going to be at the end of this case.